TGEN stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Is Tecogen stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1-minute video. Now, I'm the only person in the stock trading space that has actually done 43,000 videos and documented everything. I'm not even exaggerating. You can watch every single one of my videos on my YouTube channel and check how everything is going. But with TGEN specifically, bro, I'm looking to double down on this. Like, here's the top. Let's get rid of that. Boom. This is so sick and nice, like this 30-minute chart here. And if I do see the price pulling down, doesn't have to even be this low, you know what I mean? If it does pull down and shortly gives me a double break, then there's nothing stopping me from buying more here. You know what I mean? So that's that. All I'm doing here in the meantime is just waiting for rules to be met. And if you want to get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description and I'll see you in the next one. So goodbye and enjoy. This is like really nothing else that I'll be adding because that's simply what I'm expecting the price to give me. If there's no confirmation, I'm not buying.